Good morning everybody. Today I am going to discuss with you all about the exercise 3F from R.S. Agarwal book. In which you have to know at first two identities. First, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. On multiplying, we get x into x square minus xy plus y square plus y into x square minus xy plus y. This will give x cube minus x square y plus xy square plus x square into y, x square y plus minus minus xy into y. This will give xy square plus y into plus y square. This will give y. X square y minus this x square y plus. The two will be cancelled. In the same way, these two will be cancelled and we will be left with x cube plus y. Therefore, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is equal to x cube plus y. This is the first identity which must be known to you before solving the exercise 3F. Now we come to another identity, that is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y. On multiplying, we get x into x square plus xy plus y square minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. X into x square, this will give x cube. X into xy, this will give x square y. X into y square, xy square. Minus y into x square, this will give x square y. Minus plus minus y into xy, xy square minus plus minus y into y square. Here x square y will be cancelled by minus x square y and plus xy square will be cancelled by minus xy square. Then we left with x cube minus y cube. Now we have another identity, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square is equal to x cube minus y. This is the second identity. First, you have to memorize these two identities. You should know how to find it, but it should be kept in your mind. Only then you will be able to solve the problems of exercise 3F. Now we have to start to solve some of the problems of exercise 3F. Before starting to solve the problems of this exercise, it is quite necessary for us to keep these two identities in our mind. Only then it will be possible to solve these problems easily. Here I am going to solve these 5 problems. First you have to learn them, after that you have to solve the problems of this exercise. See, the first problem, this is, we have to factorize 27a cube plus 64b cube. 27a cube is the cube of 3a and 64b cube is the cube of 4b. Now it is of the form first identity. It will be written as 3a plus 4b and the square of 3a minus 3a into 4b and plus a square of 4b. This will give 3a plus 4b into 9a square. 3 for the 12ab and 4 for the 16b square. On factorizing this expression, we get the two factors. This is the factorized form of this expression. Now we come to solve the second problem. Which one is 32a to the power 4 minus 500. When we take the HCF of these two constants 32 and 500, we get 4. And when we take the HCF of a to the power 4 and 8, we get 8. We will be left with 4, 8 ja 32, that is 8, 4, 125 ja 500, and a is already taken as common. Then we left with 4 into 8a cube minus 125. Now the next 4a, here this is the cube of 2a and this is the cube of 5. 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125. And therefore it is of the form a cube minus b cube. To factorize this, we will be in need of the second identity, which is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus minus 5. This will give 4a, 2a minus 5 and a square of 2a plus 2a into 5 plus a square of 5. This will give 4a, 2a minus 5. This will give 4a square, 2 5 ja 10a and 5 5 ja 25. This is the factorized form of 32a to the power 4 minus 500a. There are 3 factors on factorization we get. Now we come to solve the third problem. The third problem is 8a cube minus b cube minus 4ax plus 2bx. That is 8a cube minus b cube minus 4x plus 2b. When we want, we find 8a cube is the cube of 2a. This is b cube. When we take 2x as common, we left with 2a minus b. 2 2 ja 4. X into 8 ax. 2x into b, 2bx minus minus. Now it is of the form a cube minus b cube, and on factorizing we get 2a minus b, and here a square of 2a plus 2a into b plus a square of, this is minus 2x, 2a minus. Now 2a minus b is common in these two. Then we take 2a minus b as common, and we left with 2a square means 4a square. 2a b plus b square and minus 2a. Here we may write the small bracket, and this is the factorized form of this algebraic expression. Okay? Now we come to solve the fourth problem, which is, here we have to factorize a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 2a plus 2 by. Here it is a cube minus 1 by a minus 2 is taken as common, then we left with a minus 1 by. Here it is of the form a cube minus b cube, and therefore this identity will be used here. And we have a minus 1 by a, and this will give a square minus plus a into 1 by a plus 1 by a square. 2 into a minus 1. Now we find a minus 1 by a is common in both of these terms. Then we take a minus 1 by a as common, and we left with a square. A will be cancelled by a, therefore we left with 1 plus 1 by a square minus 2. When we take a minus 1 by a as common from these two terms, this is the first term, this is the second term, then we get a square. A is cancelled, therefore we left with 1 and 1 by a square. Here a minus 1 by a is taken as common, then we left with minus 2. And this will give a minus 1 by a into a square 1 by a square 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. This is the factorized form of this algebraic expression. Okay? In the fifth problem, we have to prove that 59 into 59 into 59 minus 9 into 9 into 9 by 59 into 59 plus 59 into 9 plus 9 into 9. This will be given by 50. That is, the result of this expression will be 50. Now we start from left hand side, that is LHS. What is that? 59 into 59 into 59 minus 9 into 9 into 9 by 59 into 59 plus 59 into 9 plus 9 into. Here, this will be 59 is written 3 times, therefore we may write 59 cube. 9 is written 3 times, then we will write 9 cube. In the denominator, 59 into 59 means 59 square, 59 into 9, and 9 into 9 is 9. Now, this is of the form x cube minus y cube, like this. This will be turned into x minus y into x square plus xy plus y. Here, it is 59 minus 9 I into 59 square plus 59 into 9 plus 9 square. Here it is already 59 square, 59 into 9 plus 9 square. What we find? These two are same and therefore the 2 will be cancelled. Now we left with 59 minus 9 and this will give 50, which is equal to right hand side. That is, left hand side is proved to be equal to the right hand side and therefore we have proved this as statement. First you have to learn these 5 problems well, you have to practice them well. After that you have to solve exercise 3. It will make you helpful for solving the problems of this exercise, and so examples should also be shown. Okay. Thank you.